Boys and girls, we are thinking about the hand pollinators. What was Mariana's problem? Her Oh Hello plant hadn't been what? Pollinated. You are going to have 4 different flowers, and 4 different flowers aren't being pollinated. Some of you are going to have Dutchman's pipe. You might get that one, and that will look like this flower, and this will be your testing material. This looks like the real flower, okay? Some of you will have the bucket orchid. That one is this. And the bucket orchid, you had to go down and take a right. So you will go down and take a right. The pollen is in here. I want you to brainstorm ideas for your design, and I want you to list your ideas or draw a sketch or a picture. And then together, you'll draw a circle around the one you think is kind of the winner.
Okay. And then we would, put it in like, and then it might bend, so it'd go there.
So it needs to bend.
Okay, so now we go under here. Yeah, see? And then those look the best, I think. Or you could go here, but it would take you gotta go. You could roll it up to make the thing longer. Yeah, but that wouldn't work. And you can tape it on. They'll do this just in case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one
And then I would put like here. Tape. Palm. So that's tape right there, and to stick on the pom to that pipe cleaner, and it moves.
It's time to make a plan. Draw a diagram on this big box now. Out of all 4 of those, which one do you like the best? And add labels so we know what materials you're using and how they're connecting. Are you ready? Okay. Tell me what you have here. Do you guys agree on this plan? Do you like it together? Oh, great teamwork.
So let's say number 3, but we'll just bend number 3. How about that? So it'll be half of that. It will look like your idea, but it will do the things that are in my idea. So it's both of ours mixed up. Draw by
I love how you are writing your supplies and drawing what you think it's going to look like. That is great thinking. I'm loving your cooperation there. Here's the exciting part. Here's our table of materials. I want you to start and create what you have on your plan. Oh, I like the way you're thinking. You're sticking to your plan then. If you do that, you're sticking with this plan.
Some of the stuff is just for decoration. Some of it's actually used.
I love it. I am very excited about what you did today. I'm very excited for tomorrow, and I want you to think tonight about what you created today and kind of predict. Is it going to drop off any pollen? A little bit of pollen? Or quite a bit of pollen when you take your hand pollinator and you do the 3-tap test? Let's go over to the testing table. You have the Dutchman's pipe, and that is your flower. All right. So they're using their hand pollinator. They're in their flower model. And now they need to see if the 3-tap test shows any results. All right, 3 taps and lift. Is there any pollination?
Yep, a little.
Oh, give them a hand. Here we go, testing. Okay, lift up your flower. Sit down, friends. Whoa, did it work?
Yes!
Did your hand pollinator work?
No.
No. So what do we need to do? What? Improve. Will your hand pollinator work? Did the hand pollinator work?
No.
No? So we need to improve. Okay. Oh. All right, let's see if this hand pollinator works. Would you say your hand pollinator worked this time?
No.
What do you need to do?
Improve.
Good job. What are some ways that you could make a hand pollinator better? Well, be thoughtful. Well, how can I really get this hand pollinator to work? You saw what your hand pollinator just did. You have 3 minutes. How can you make your hand pollinator better?
But you would need it longer. Yeah, that's why we're going to keep it together. You shouldn't use the pom-poms.
What are you going to do?
We're using two furry stuff. Could you get more stuff, like more pollen? That's what kind of my idea too. No, not fur. Make it longer. I wonder how you spell copper wire. I know. Layers. But none of it falls out. I know. But we need to tie it. But how are we going to tie it? We need tape on Oh, we got some! Miss Mom!
Set all your materials down and come down here for just a couple minutes. You have just gone through your first engineering unit. How do you feel?
Good. Good.
What was the best part?
Trying out the hand pollinator.
Trying them out. And what stage is that?
Is on creativity.
It's in create. You're right. Good.
The planning stage because we got to plan our hand pollinators and I like to write and I got to write.
I'm very proud of you. You are amazing engineers. And I think EiE deserves a whoop whoop. All right. A real exciting part of the EiE program is the improve stage. When kids are engineering, they are excited. These kids could not get enough of the hands-on activities. And when they created a hand pollinator and it didn't work out, none of them worked out, they automatically, instinctively wanted to make it better. Please don't be afraid of engineering. This is an amazing unit. Every kit comes with everything you need. The manuals have leading questions, wrap-up questions, everything you need.